Today I'm checking out Glazed Expression in Clive, Iowa. Let's check it out. Glazed Expressions opened in Clive, Iowa in 1999. In 2019, Glazed Expressions opened a second studio in Ankeny, Iowa. The family-owned do-it-yourself art studio currently offers pottery and candle options. I chose to do the pottery option. I first selected my piece, grabbed the paint colors I wanted, and my brushes. The studio also offers stencils, markers, and fine line paint bottles. For my pottery piece, I chose an egg because my great-grandmother used to paint ceramic eggs and my family still puts them out in the spring. I decided to go with a simple ombre design since it was my first time painting ceramics in a while. I selected speckle paint for all of my colors. It should give the piece a crackle finish when it is complete. I used tape to section off different areas of the egg so I wouldn't have to paint as many layers. Once I finished the piece, the studio fired it and I picked it up a week later. It's a week later and I have gotten my creation back, so I haven't peeked yet. Time to check it out. It's a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, it's super sweet. I really like it, and I like that I made it, so I think it's super cute. If you liked today's video, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing. See ya in the next one. Bye.